Observe your motorcycle to find the position where to fix the front camera, rear camera, GPS module, wide controller, and the main unit. Fix these accessories by 3M tape and cable ties. Please pay more attention to the GPS module installation because the weather condition, high buildings, indoors environment may affect the GPS signal reception. Therefore, please fix the GPS module outside of a motorcycle like the handlebar in the video and have the GPS icon face to sky. Please connect the smart power cable to the motorcycle battery directly, and the power module will turn on or off automatically by detecting motorcycle vibration and a voltage change. Unscrew the camera cap, viewing the screen while rotating the camera body to adjust the horizontal view angle.
好，好，加油，加油，加油，加油，加油！好，里面打开。
Installation pictures shared by other customers. As a professional manufacturer and a solution provider of digital video recorder in Shenzhen, China, we mainly focus on feature the DVR R&D and production. OEM and ODM are also available. Please visit our website to know more details. And thanks for watching. Bye.